Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture of network analysis, I am going to talk about Thevenin's theorem. I'll discuss what is a Thevenin's theorem, what is the statement of Thevenin's theorem, then explanation and one or two numerical based on that. Okay, so here what is a Thevenin's theorem? Actually, this theorem, in this theorem, what they are doing, they have converted four loop problem into one loop problem. और टू लूप प्रॉब्लम इनटू वन लूप प्रॉब्लम। इसका मतलब ये है कि एक चार लूप का प्रॉब्लम दिया है एंड आई हैव गिवन फाइंड द करंट थ्रू ए पर्टिकुलर ब्रांच, so that branch is called as load resistance RL. We have to find that current through load resistance RL. Okay, so we will convert into one loop problem that is called as Thevenin's equivalent circuit. Okay, now see here what is the statement. This theorem states that the current flowing through a load resistance RL equal to IL equal to VOC upon RI plus RL या VOC upon ZI plus ZL। अगर प्योर डीसी प्रॉब्लम है तो RI और RL आएंगे, और अगर एसी का प्रॉब्लम है तो इम्पीडेंस आएंगे ZI, that is internal impedance, and ZL. So this theorem states that current through load impedance ZL connected across any two terminal A and B of a network can be obtained by IL equal to VOC upon ZI plus ZL, where what is VOC? Where VOC is the open circuit voltage developed between point A and B when load impedance is removed, and Zi is the internal impedance of the circuit between point A and B when all sources of energy are replaced by their internal impedance, and ZL is what? Load impedance. That is the statement. Explanation. You can explain by drawing the figure. So I have given this diagram. If the current is to be determined through branch A and B, so this current is called as load current IL. We have to find IL, and this resistance is called as load resistance RL. Suppose I have given find the current through this branch, so this is called as load resistance. I have given find the current through this branch, it is called as load resistance RL. Is it clear? The branch whose current is to be find called as load resistance RL. So we have to find it. So how to find it? पहला step क्या है? We will remove this by open it. Point A और B open हो जाएंगे, and when this point A and B are open circuited, some voltage will be developed called as open circuit voltage VOC. We'll find it. Clear? How to find it we'll discuss in the next step. So I'm going to take the same problem, okay, and I have to find IL. So I'm just rubbing it. Okay, so I'm going to use it R1 R2. This is the diagram I have given. So पहला problem क्या है? I have given this problem. V1, this is R1 R2 R3 R1 R2 R3, or here between A and B RL is connected, right? What is the first step? Remove RL, remove the load resistance and find VOC. अगर ये remove कर दोगे so point A और B open हो जाएंगे, so यहाँ पर voltage developed होगा, उसको बोलेंगे VOC. So I am going to remove V1, R2, R3, R1, clear, and VOC. Now can I say VOC equal to, this is point A and B, potential difference between A and B. Let us say this is point C and D. So can I say VAB equal to VCD? Yes, because अगर यहाँ open है, so what is the current flowing through here? Zero. And if current is zero, so what is the voltage drop here? Zero. So potential of A and potential of C will be same. Potential of B and potential of D same है. So VOC equal to VAB. equal to VCD. So I had to find potential difference between C and D. So let us say current flowing is I. So can I say VCD equal to I into R2? I into R2. So I had to find current through this branch. So I into R2. Now we have to find I. How will you find I? This is one loop. What is I in this loop? From Ohm's law, I equal to what? V1 upon R1 plus R2. Current I equal to what? I equal to V1 upon R1 plus R2. So you know I. So VOC equal to what? VOC equal to I means this V1 upon R1 plus R2 into R2. So here VOC is this one. याद रखना VOC निकालने के different ways हो सकते हैं. Your concept is clear, you can find VOC. But here it is this one. Second step is what? Find internal resistance Ri or Zi, internal impedance or internal resistance. How to find? Whatever the sources we have, we will remove all the sources of energy. This is the voltage source we have given. It is replaced by its internal resistance. But नहीं है तो it is internal resistance 0 तो short. Similarly, अगर current source होता तो करंट सोर्स विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय इट्स इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस. अगर नहीं दिया है इसका मतलब इसका इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस कितना होता है? इनफाइनाइट. तो इट विल बी ओपन. करंट सोर्स विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय ओपनिंग इट. voltage source will be replaced by shorting it. Or this is R1, R2, R3 between A and B. Find Ri between A and B. This is R1, this is R2, this is R3. Replace the voltage source by shorting it, right? So start from this end. These two R2 and R1 both are in parallel क्योंकि both are connected between C and D. So क्या आएगा? R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2, and whatever you will get this and R3 are in series, so plus R3. So that is the value of Ri. So we got VOC, we got Ri, right? Now we will convert into the new diagram you will get, that is called as Thevenin's equivalent circuit. VOC we got from here, Ri in series we got here. Clear? Now between A and B, so this is called as Thevenin's equivalent circuit, and this is RL. We have to find the current through RL. Okay, so this is called as Thevenin's equivalent. This is called as Thevenin's equivalent circuit, right? And what is the value of IL? From Ohm's law, IL equal to क्या होगा? IL equal to what? IL equal to, this is the step number 3. IL equal to what? VOC V upon R, Ri plus RL, or Zi plus ZL, whatever there. So IL equal to what? VOC upon Ri plus RL. That is the Ohm's law. Actually, what is this? Ohm's law? Yeah, you can say it is a Kirchhoff's voltage law. But Thevenin's is claiming this is the Thevenin's theorem. Actually, देखा जाए तो Ohm's law है, but he is claiming Thevenin's theorem. उस समय Thevenin's ने आइडिया इंडिया से लिया होगा. इंडिया में उस समय वैद्य लोग थे, डॉक्टर नहीं थे. क्लियर? वैद्य के पास आज भी जाओ तो क्या देगा? वो 3 टाइप की दवाई देगी. बुखार के लिए एक, जुकाम के लिए दूसरा, और खांसी के लिए तीसरी पुड़िया. 3 टाइप की पुड़िया दे देगा आपको. कैसे खाना है वो बोलेगा, एक काम करो, 1 गिलास पानी लो, तीनों पुड़ियों को डालो, उसको उबाल के हाफ करो, काढ़ा बनाओ, और काढ़ा बना के पी जाओ. इसने भी क्या किया है? थ्योनिस ने काढ़ा बनाया है. ही हैज टेकन आइडिया फ्रॉम इंडिया. काढ़ा बनाया. 2 लूप का प्रॉब्लम को इसने 1 लूप में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. 5 लूप का प्रॉब्लम है, दे हैव कन्वर्ट इनटू 1 लूप. 10 लूप का प्रॉब्लम है, दे हैव कन्वर्ट इनटू 1 लूप. दैट इज काढ़ा बना दिया. और आपने क्या अप्लाई किया बाद में? उसने Ohm's law, and he got, but he is claiming this is his theorem, that is called as Thevenin's theorem. IL equal to VOC upon Ri plus RL. This will be given. We have to find these 2 things. You will get it. IL. Okay. So this is okay. Now I'm going to take some numerical based on that. Okay. Sorry. So I'm rub karta hu, and then I will take the 2 numerical based on this. So this concept will be clear. Okay, so see the problem. This is example number 1. Find the current through. Find the current through. Sorry. Sorry. Yes. Find the current through 3 minus J4 ohm by Thevenin's theorem. So this is the 3 minus J4 ohm. This is point A and this is point B. Okay. So we have to find the current through 3 minus J4 ohm. That is ZL. That is ZL. What is the first step? Step 1 क्या है? Remove ZL by opening it and find VOC. पहला step. Okay. So I am going to remove it. This is VOC. कितना है? VOC कितना है? Sorry, not VOC. It is voltage, given voltage 4 of the angle 0 volt. This is given. This is 3 plus J4. Okay. And this is the current source I have given. What is the current source I have given? कितना है? 2 of the angle 90 degree ampere. Find VOC. Potential difference A and B. That is VOC. We have to calculate. Potential difference between here. तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक का voltage we have to find. Now, forget it. अगर if you know the current through 3 plus J4 ohm, अगर करंट मिल जाएगा तो यू कैन फाइंड VOC आल्सो. से बताइए ये जो करंट जा रहा है 2 ऑफ द एंगल 90 यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाएगा, यहाँ कितना जाएगा? 0. क्यों? ओपन है. तो वट एवर द करंट इज गोइंग सेम करंट विल गो फ्रॉम हियर. ऐसा जाएगा इन दिस वे, राइट. इसका मतलब करंट इन दिस वे जा रहा है, मतलब करंट फ्लो फ्रॉम दिस वे, मतलब करंट ऑलवेज फ्लो फ्रॉम हायर पोटेंशियल टू लोअर पोटेंशियल. तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? ड्रॉप. ऑलवेज करंट फ्लो फ्रॉम हायर टू लोअर, सो यहाँ ड्रॉप होगा, राइट. ओके, सो यू नो द वोल्टेज. तो क्या हो जाएगा बोलो? यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. VOC इक्वल टू फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, from this point to this point क्या होगा? No voltage because nothing is there, no change. From here to here, from A, say A, B, C, D, A. B to C का है कुछ नहीं होगा. C to D क्या होगा? राइज. माइनस है और ये प्लस है, तो माइनस C to D क्या होगा? राइज. वोल्टेज राइज कितना? 4 ऑफ द एंगल 0 आ गया यहाँ तक. अभी D से ए बोलो. D से ए क्या है? ए माइनस ए प्लस है. करंट ऐसा जा रहा था हायर टू लोअर, सो यहाँ से यहाँ क्या है? लोअर, इससे हायर क्या होगा? राइज. राइज कितना होगा? प्लस. व्हाट इज राइज? 3 प्लस J4 इंटू दिस I इंटू R, I इंटू Z कितना? 2 ऑफ द एंगल 90. सो आई गॉट VOC इक्वल टू 4 ऑफ द एंगल 0 प्लस 3 प्लस J4 का मल्टीप्लीकेशन पोलर फॉर्म में करेंगे. वी विल डू इन पोलर फॉर्म, सो यू विल गेट 5 ऑफ द एंगल 53.13 degree, okay, into 2 of the angle 90. So you will get 4 of the angle 0 plus magnitude will be multiplied 5 into 2 10, angle will be added 143.13. So this is the value. Now addition कौन से फॉर्म में करते हैं? rectangle form में. We have to convert into rectangle form. So 4 of the angle 0 को convert करेंगे तो you will get rectangle form. You will get 4 plus J0 प्लस इसको कन्वर्ट करो 10, convert polar to rectangle 10 comma 143.13. I am getting 8 minus 8 plus J6. I am getting minus 8 plus J, sorry, I am just doing it again. Okay, okay, so I am getting this answer. say I'm just doing rectangular to polar to rectangle, कितना है 10 comma 143.13 equal -8 alpha f I'm getting 6. ओके सो ये +4 और ये -8, तो क्या आएगा सम करने के बाद -8 -4 4 -8 -4 plus j6. So this is what VOC I got it. I got VOC equal to -4 plus j6. If you convert into polar to a rectangle, this is in rectangle form, convert into polar form. So I'm going to convert into polar form. Shift polar, sorry, shift polar -4 comma 6. I am getting 7.22 7.211 of the angle alpha f. 123 123.7 degree, that is in volts. That is the answer I got, VOC. Okay, so I got VOC. Now next step, what is the next step? Find step number 2. Find ZI, internal impedance. How to find ZI? Whatever the sources are there, voltage source will be replaced by shorting it, current source will be replaced by opening it. Clear? I had to find ZI between A and B, and this is the 3J4. This is open, we have to find ZI. So you can say two path it is forming, एक ये path है और दूसरा open है. So ZI equal to what? यही 3 plus J4 equal to what? If you convert into polar 5 of the angle 53.13 degree ohm. That is ZI, I got it. Second step, right? Now find IL. Draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. What is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit? VOC, open circuit voltage कितना है 7.2 ऑफ द एंगल 123 डिग्री वोल्ट, एंड ZI कितना है? ZI कितना है? ये 5 ऑफ द एंगल 53 डिग्री ओम, एंड ZL you can connect here. ZL मतलब this 3 minus J4, that is ZL. What is IL? I had to calculate. So IL equal to what? Last step, IL equal to VOC upon ZI plus ZL. VOC कितना है? 7.21 of the angle 123.7 अपॉन ZI plus ZL. ZI plus ZL कौन से एडिशन है? कौन से फॉर्म में करेंगे? रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म में. ZI कितना है? 3 plus J4 plus ZL कितना है? 3 minus J4. So J4 cancelled. You will get 6. So 7.21 of the angle 123.7 divided by 6 plus J0. 6 plus J0 को डिवीजन करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 6 of the angle 0 पोलर फॉर्म में. 6 plus J0, if you convert into polar form, you will get this. So magnitude will be multiplied, angle will be subtracted. So 7.21 divided by what? 6. I am getting 1.2. I'm getting 1.2 of the angle same 123.7 degree ampere. That is the answer. Okay, that is the answer. IL equal to 1.2 of the angle 123 degree. Okay, this is the problem number 1 I had taken. One more problem I am taking here. Okay, so I am rubbing it. One more problem I am taking. This is the problem I have. Find the current I using Thevenin's theorem. फाइंड आई, this I by using Thevenin's theorem. इसका मतलब क्या है? What is RL? This is RL. RL कितना है? 5 ohm. Find the current through 5 ohm. I मतलब यहीं से है ना. तो पहला स्टेप क्या है? स्टेप नंबर 1 क्या है? रिमूव RL 5 ohm. Remove RL 5 ohm by opening it and find VOC, open circuit voltage. Six volt, 1 ohm. This is 1 ampere, right? And here it is open circuit. And here this is the dependent source I have given. कितना वैल्यू है वोल्टेज का? 2I0. And I0 is given here. It is given I0. So this is called as voltage source, but depending on current, so it is called as current dependent voltage source is given. This is voltage VOC. So let us say potential of this point is A, potential of this point is B. So can I say VOC equal to potential of A minus potential of B? VOC equal to potential of A minus potential of B. Okay. Now what is the value of VB? Potential of B कितना होगा? Can I say अगर this point connected to ground है तो यहाँ से यहाँ क्या हो रहा? Rise. Yes, here plus. So VB equal to, can I say 2I0? VB equal to this voltage. VB equal to 2I0. Okay. Now what is the value of I0? Can I say minus 1? Yes. I0 का direction it was given like this. It is given. And ये जो 1 ampere जा रहा है, it is a constant current source. It is supplying 1 ampere current. What is the current coming here? 0, because it is open है. अगर यहाँ ओपन है तो 1 एम्पियर ऐसे ही जाएगा ना. सो I0 इसका डायरेक्शन 1 एम्पियर का ऐसा है और ये I0 ऐसा है. सो I0 इक्वल टू क्या है? माइनस 1 एम्पियर. Hence VB इक्वल टू व्हाट? 2 into minus 1 equal to what? Minus 2 volt. So VB I got minus 2 volt. यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना है? Minus 2 volt. Right? Now I have to find VA. अच्छा, दिस करंट 1 एम्पियर ऐसा जा रहा है, ऐसा, and we know current flows from higher to lower. Always current flows from higher potential to lower. So VA equal to क्या होगा? VA equal to क्या होगा? लेट अस से VA निकालते हैं. VA यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. यहाँ का पोटेंशियल कितना? जीरो ना. ग्राउंड है ना ये, जीरो, यहाँ जीरो. तो यहाँ से यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? राइज कितना? 6. आई गॉट 6. ओके. ये क्या है? करंट यहाँ से यहाँ जा रहा था, मतलब ऑलवेज करंट फ्लोज फ्रॉम हायर टू लोअर. सो यहाँ से यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? राइज. लोअर से हायर. राइज कितना? दिस आई इंटू आर. राइज मतलब 2 1 इंटू करंट कितना है? 1 ओम इंटू 1. सो कितना आ रहा है? 7 वोल्ट. सो VOC इज व्हाट? VOC इक्वल टू VA, दैट इज 7 माइनस VB कितना है? VB कितना है? -2. VB equal to -2. So I am getting 7 minus -2 is 9 volt. I got VOC 9 volt. I got VOC 9 volt, right? Now second step क्या है? Find RI. Find RI. How to find RI? Whatever the sources are there, remove. Voltage source by shorting it, current source by opening it. That is a procedure I told you already. But यहाँ तो इसको निकाल दोगे ओपन करके, इसको शॉर्ट करके. But what about this current dependent source? We can't remove. So whenever the network consists dependent source, this is not the method. Okay, so we will not follow this method. So when network consists dependent source, सो आर आई इक्वल टू होता है VOC upon ISC. This is the method we will follow when the network consists dependent source. VOC upon ISC. Okay, so we have to find ISC here. So first, second step क्या है? Step number 2, find remove 5 ohm, that is RL, by shorting it, and find ब्रांच. याद रखना जब भी डिपेंडेंट सोर्स है तो आर आई इक्वल टू VOC अपॉन ISC होता है. तो अगली स्टेप में क्या करना, ISC प्लस माइनस कितना है 6 वोल्ट, दिस इज 1 ओम, this is I0, this is current source of 1 ampere, clear. This will be shorted, or this is what, 2 I0 वोल्टेज सोर्स. यहाँ का पोटेंशियल क्या है, ग्राउंड जीरो, यहाँ का जीरो, यहाँ का 2I0, यहाँ का 2I0 पोटेंशियल. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ I0? पहले हम निकालेंगे I0. I0 क्या होगा, जैसे यार I0 इक्वल टू ये वोल्टेज, यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना है 6 वोल्ट, माइनस यहाँ का वोल्टेज कितना है 2I0 अपॉन अपॉन 1 ओम. I0 क्लियर ना, ये वोल्टेज करंट क्या होगा, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दिस माइनस दिस अपॉन 1. सो कितना आएगा, ये 1 तो छोड़ दो, सो 2 उधर जाएगा, सो या यू विल गेट 3, ये माइनस 2I0 उधर जाएगा तो 3I0 इक्वल टू 6. सो I0 इक्वल टू व्हाट, 2 एम्पियर यू विल गेट. सो हियर I0 इक्वल टू 2 एम्पियर, राइट. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू करंट, करंट कितना फ्लो हो रहा है इधर, दिस करंट. अगर ये शॉर्ट किया है तो करंट क्या है ISC. सो कहना है ISC इक्वल टू I0 यहाँ से जा रहा है, 1 यहाँ से जा रहा है, तो कहना है I0 प्लस 1, बिकॉज करंट यहाँ से कितना जा रहा है I0, यहाँ से कितना आ रहा है 1 एम्पियर, तो यहीं जाएगा ना. सो ये 2 है प्लस 1 इक्वल टू व्हाट, 3 एम्पियर, 3 एम्पियर ISC equal to 3 ampere. Okay, so I am getting ISC equal to 3 ampere. Once you know ISC, okay, so what is the value of RI? RI equal to what, VOC upon ISC. VOC कितना है, I got VOC is 9 volt upon ISC is 3, so I am getting 3 ohm. I got RI equal to 3 ohm. Now last step is IL. What is IL? VOC upon RI plus RL, right. VOC कितना है, I got 9 volt earlier, this one. RI I got 3 ohm, this one, plus RL क्या है 5 ohm, this one. So 9 by 8, I am getting 9 by 8. So 9 divided by 8, I am getting 1.125 ampere. That is the answer, 1.125 ampere. That is the answer, current flowing through the 5 ohm resistance. Okay, so please be careful whenever the dependent source is given. पहला step तुमको VOC निकालना ही है, we got it. Second step, we can't find RI directly, we have to find RI equal to VOC upon ISC. क्यों, अगर dependent source है, so this is the method. So you will get ISC, then RI, this is 3 ohm, then IL. Okay, so I have discussed the two numerical here. In the part 1 next lecture, I am going to discuss 4 to 5 numerical on the Thevenin's theorem. थोड़ा सा heavy dose होगा. I have to finish that lecture, next lecture, in within a half an hour. So I will try to solve 4 numerical based on that. Clear? I will be quite faster also, but you can see that video twice. YouTube video दो बार देखते हैं, इसको pause करके you can try to understand it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to stop here only. Okay, so this is the actually Thevenin's theorem में क्या करना है आपको? What we have to do in the Thevenin's theorem? We have to find current through load resistance. So you have to find VOC upon Ri plus RL. Okay, so I'm going to stop here.